Here it is, the luckiest little store in America, the KC Mart in Simpsonville, South Carolina. It's where one lucky person bought the winning $1.5 billion Mega Millions lottery ticket. The gas station convenience store is at a rural crossroads. Simpsonville has just 22,000 residents, and as you can imagine, it's the talk of the town.
But it's crazy because we're such a small town.
Oh my God, we can't believe it.
Locals are wondering who the winner is, even the mayor.
I've heard some rumblings, but I dare not say.
I guess I can do this now, right?
Yeah, you absolutely can.
My dream's gone last
The news has the rest of America bummed out.
I didn't win, you didn't win, my cameraman didn't win.
Social media was filled with folks realizing the dream was dead. But these guys couldn't be happier. Hogan Brown is director of the South Carolina Lottery. Gordon Medenica is the director of Mega Millions. They've been up all night waiting for the results to come in.
This is what we live for. I mean, this is what makes the game.
Back in Simpsonville, the latest rumor at the barbershop is that the winner is an auto mechanic in his 20s.
He came in and then was checking his lottery numbers while he was at work and realized that he had won, and then, of course, couldn't contain himself, is what I heard, but I don't.